Ready to deck the halls without breaking the bank? Here are 5 money-saving tips you can use this holiday season. And stick around to the end because I will give you a bonus tip that you can start using right now to be ahead of the game next holiday season. Tip number 1. Do a Secret Santa. Secret Santas are so much fun. You never know who you're going to get, and it's a perfect opportunity to bond even more with your loved one. Not to mention, it saves a ton of money because you only have to get for the one particular person, exception if you're getting for the children in your life, but it would still help to save a ton of money, especially if you come from a large family. Plus, you get to know a person even better and you surprise them and give them something fun and intimate. And bonus, it even helps us to enjoy the holiday season even more because instead of trying to shop for 1,000 people at the last minute, guilty, you get to shop for the one individual and get something that they really, really will love and feel special about. You will feel even more connected and less stressed and save a ton of money during the holiday season. Next, money saving tip you can do this holiday season is create your own decorations. This is super fun. Make it a craft with your children, a party with your pals, or even a night in with your neighbors. This one is a surefire way to have a ton of fun and save a lot of money on holiday decor. Let's be real. These decors can be pretty pricey, but if you make your own, not only will they be original, unique, and you can never find them anywhere else, which is super duper special, but they will be a lot more affordable. And again, it is a bonding experience with you and your loved ones. Everyone can make the silliest ornaments or the most beautiful ones and make a fun game out of it. Have you ever heard of an ugly sweater party? Well, this could be like a silly ornament contest where you design the silliest, most creative ornaments, and all for funs and giggles. And you have ornaments and they're funny and they're fun and they're affordable. Or you can do classic, beautiful ornaments, whatever you so wish. However, either way you decide to go, it would still save a ton on this holiday season. Next up, homemade gifts. These are also very special and add a touch of sentiment to our holiday season. Not to mention they are creative, a way to express your love. They are more affordable and certainly a lot more valuable because it's not just any generic thing that you can pick up at the store. This is the perfect time to use your hobbies, whether you make soaps, knit, or anything in between. This is a time to make these things for your loved ones. All the time that you spend on making these gifts will show your loved one how truly special and valuable they are, because it takes a lot more time, effort, and energy to design a gift by hand than just adding to cart on Amazon, which is fun, easy, and convenient, and we all do it. I mean, I do it. If you want to save money this holiday season though, and you want to be a touch sentimental, homemade gifts are the way to go. You can also bake something, paint something. The sky is the limit. Try to see what that particular person will enjoy and make them something from your heart. They will certainly appreciate the gesture and love it all the more. The next way you can save a ton of money this holiday season is potluck dinners. These are so much fun. Everyone can bring something new and exciting to the table, and you're going to have a festive dinner, but with a lot less effort and a lot more affordable. You only have to focus on making your particular dishes, and everybody else will make their own dishes. If it's easier to assign a dish to everyone else to make sure you don't get multiples of the same thing, then do so. You can make it more fun by picking dishes out of a hat, and it'll be such a good way to explore our culinary skills. However, if you know that Aunt Martha makes a wonderful apple pie, maybe you can assign the apple pie to Aunt Martha. However it works for you. However, this is a fun way, and it also helps to bond one another because we all get to talk about what everybody made and how delicious it was, and it will definitely save a ton of money than cooking the whole entire dinner by ourselves. Plus, it will free up a lot of time to enjoy the holiday season. Next up, you can do a white elephant party. So everybody brings a gift and you get to swap and trade. I will link some more information about this down below. Once again, you don't have to shop for multiple gifts. Another way you can save a lot of money this holiday season is to volunteer your time. In lieu of gifts this holiday season, you can volunteer your time or service in honor of your loved one to do something for the less fortunate. During the holiday season, there are still a lot of people in need. If we take our times to volunteers in hospitals, shelters, soup kitchens, whatever the case may be, we can certainly help and touch a lot of people, do something kind for others, and save money during the holiday season. But it is such a blessing. You cannot put a price on the smile you put on the other person's face. In addition, you can put care bundle packages up from the dollar store, and it would be such a nice gesture to give to them in the name of your loved one. Instead of getting a bunch of gifts will eventually turn into clutter in your home, we get to give our energy and efforts elsewhere. There's truly something special to be said about giving our time and efforts to others in need. Not to mention, maybe they don't have very many people that they can rely on this holiday season. You can be the only person in like 10 years that has ever smiled at them or talked to them, and that makes a world of difference in their life. Okay, so this bonus one you're gonna want to do right after the holidays, so the next holiday season you will not be caught off guard. And even though we still aim to have frugal holidays in this channel, we still want to be able to do it without stressing ourselves out. And if you have like a larger family or more things and more commitments to do this holiday season, then I suggest that after the holiday season has passed, you begin to save a couple of dollars every single month so that you can be prepared for the next coming year. Take your holiday budget and divide it by 12, and starting now this December, you save 1/12 of that money. That way when the next holiday season comes, you'll be all set, all prepared, all ready, and all stress free. Another alternative that you can do this December is write on your gift list. You more or less know it's kind of similar from this year. Give or take a few extra people and write down what they liked, what gifts they enjoyed the most, what they seemed the most excited about, what you want to give them, with a budget in mind, of course. And then as you see those items throughout the year, if they go on sale, you can purchase it and you can keep it in a safe place if you have the room, so that you can give it to them next holiday season. But the reason why I say make a list is because I do not want you to go around all the stores and ooh, here's a sale, and ooh, here's another sale, and ooh, here's the third sale, and just get whatever looks good, because in a way that is still wasting our money, since we're just getting anything that looks good. If you have a list, a budget, a plan, and you stick to it, then when those sale comes and they do serve you, then it's a sale. Otherwise, if we did not intend to buy that item, we're not saving money, we're spending extra money. Okay, so let's keep this in mind for the next holiday season. But if you want even more ways that you can save money this holiday season, check out this video here where I go into details about that, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.